So the next we want to dive into now is on how to add shapes on your document, how to create shapes, various kinds of shapes. So we delete all whatever we have here. Then we remember that by default when you open this Microsoft environment, it will always open to and show you this home button. So when you're working with shapes, you need to go to insert menu, then move straight to shapes. Click on shapes. We have so many of them that you can work with. So let's say that I am working with a shape like this one. Just click on it and hold down your left click button and draw it diagonal. The shape will appear. And if you want to write something inside it, you right click and click on add text. This is shapeless. So you can select the write-up, go to your home menu and click on the font size to make it bigger. So this is it. I just added a shape. You can customize this shape and you can leave it like this. If you can make it smaller, rotate it from this edge, this very edge here. You can make it the mouth to enter inside or look more pointed by clicking on this yellow button. When you click and hold, make it deep or more pointed. Then you can make it smaller from here, reduce the size, rotate it from here however you want it, rotate or curve the mouth, make it longer or more. So that's for this shape. I can also add one more shape. Click outside where you want to add it, go to insert, then move straight to shapes. I want to add a shape like this one. Sketch it and you can add the write-up by right clicking on top of the shape and click on add text. You see, this is nice. Select it, then give it a font size by going to the home, choose a bigger font size, and this is what you have. The two of them are overlapping, so you shift this one to the left and leave this one to be well balanced at the right, at the left, sorry, while this one goes to the right. So this is just simple shapes that we just added. You have so many other shapes that you can also add, so many of them. Depending on what you want to design, you can add as many shapes or even labels as you want. For example, I want to label a diagram. Let's say this diagram. Right now I'll import a picture. This is the picture that I want to label. I want to add a diagram here, a shape there to label this very ruler. Go to insert, click on shapes, get this arrow and point it straight to this guy. It's pointing to him. Then I can go straight to this shape outline to make it thicker and visible, make the line to be more thicker. This is not thick enough. I want it to be very thick. Come down to the weight, choose a bigger weight. Yeah, this is what I want. See, it's pointing to the ruler here. Let me repeat what I did. I said go straight to insert, move straight to shape, get your arrow, point it straight to this ruler, and as soon as you have done that, go straight to the shape outline and choose a bigger weight, something bigger like this, as big as this. Then you can change the coloration, go down to the shape outline and give it a black color. Then to add the title, that's the name, what is this for? You can go straight to your shape, get shapes, look for the shape that is called text box, click on it, draw it here, and then type the roller is the name. You can select it, go to home and make this to be bigger, as big as this is cool for me. So I just labeled using a shape tool. This is it. So There's nothing much about adding shapes to your document. You can add as many shapes as you want. You just need to be artistic when you are doing this. So then the next after this that we want to dive into is on how to add your charts. Sometimes you work on documents that have some statistical data analysis, that has serious charts that were derived from strong variables that if you alter any one, automatically the chart or the graph reduces or increases radically. How do you achieve that? If you want to add a graph or a chart, you have to go to the insert menu and click on chart. When you click on chart, it will ask you what kind of chart do you want to add. It's a very serious question. You need to know what kind of chart you want to add before you come to this space. If you already know what you want, go straight and click on it. Now I want to add a column chart just like this one they show us here, and I will click on it and click OK. Please wait patiently. It has displayed showing me default variables, columns and rows that I don't even know what they mean, but let's study it and use it to adapt to our own preference. I want to create a chart that has 4 years of price changes pertaining to 3 foodstuffs. That's a 4 years of price difference in 3 foodstuffs. The first foodstuff is gari. We have egusi and yam between the year 2001 to 2004. So what do? First, the space here will have a small spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is for our variables. We enter the variables that reflect on this chart that you're seeing here. How do we achieve that? Go straight to the first one, type the number of year, that's you have 2001, you have 2002, you have 2003, and here we have 2004. Then go back to the main menu, the vertical columns starting from the one that is titled B, Series 1. I want that one to be gari, while I want this one to be egusi, and then this other one will be yam. So this is it. Let's go back and check what we have on our chart so far. You see we have 2001 here, 2002, 2003, 2004, and this color blue represents what? I know my screen is very small, so let me make it bigger for you to see what I'm saying here. The blue color represents egusi, the red one represents the blue represents gari, while the red one represents egusi, and then the ash one represents yam. So let's go back and then put the real figures. In 2001, a cup of gari was 35 naira. In 2002, it went back to 30 naira. In 2003, it fell down to 25, while in 2004 it climbed to 40 naira. I'm just assuming, I can't remember what the price was like then. Do you notice that as soon as I type something, the variable automatically makes this figure in the chart to increase or decrease? Let's type for egusi now. Let's change the variables here in the column for egusi. Egusi was 35 to what in 2001. In 2002 it was around 55. Did you see what just happened? Okay, I hope you are following. In 2003 it was 75 naira. Did you see that? Then in 2004 it fell down to 25 naira. That is for egusi. That is awesome. Then for yam, one tuber of yam was 120 in 2001. Is that true? While in 2002 it climbed up to 150. 2003 it was 300, and now in 2004 it became 500. Let's just assume that's what we have. No, that 500 is